In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an email message to a folder in Outlook. Keeping your inbox tidy makes it much easier to focus on what matters, and moving messages into folders is one of the fastest ways to organize. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can do this confidently every time. First, open Microsoft Outlook. Give it a moment to load your mail. If you use more than one account, make sure the correct mailbox is selected on the left side. You'll know Outlook is ready when you can see your folders and your recent messages appearing in the message list. Next, go to your inbox. You'll find it in the folder list on the left. If you have multiple inboxes, pick the one that contains the message you want to organize. You don't need to open the message, you can do everything right from the list view, which keeps things quick and efficient. Now, find the email you want to move and right-click it. This opens a context menu with options specific to that message. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. If you prefer using the keyboard, make sure the message is selected first, then use your right-click or menu key to open the options. You should see the message highlighted, confirming you're acting on the correct one. From the menu that appears, click Move. Depending on your version of Outlook, it may appear as Move or Move To, sometimes with a small arrow indicating more choices. Selecting Move tells Outlook you want to relocate this email to another folder without deleting it. Finally, choose the destination folder. You'll see a list of your folders like project files, clients, or archive, so pick the one where the message belongs. If you have a lot of folders, look for a quick search box in the Move dialog to find your folder by name faster. As soon as you select the folder, the email will be moved immediately. You'll usually see it disappear from your inbox and reappear in the chosen folder almost instantly. That's it. You've moved your message with just a few clicks. If you want to double check, you can open the folder you selected and confirm the message is there. If you moved it by mistake, most versions of Outlook allow an immediate undo, or you can move it again using the same steps. Using this simple move action regularly helps keep your inbox clean, groups related messages together, and makes it much easier to find what you need later. Keep practicing with a few messages and you'll build a smooth habit in no time.